Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to create a poster in Adobe Photoshop really fast. So without wasting much of our time, so we have our artboard. As you can see, this is my artboard here. The size of this artboard is 1080 by 1080. The color mode is RGB and it's 72 ppi. So we're going to create a Labor Day poster. That is, the Labor Day usually happens on 1st of May. So we're going to create a Labor Day poster today. So quick first, I'm going to get a background from the internet. So tab, and I'm just going to search for background. I'm searching for background and I go to images. I need so yeah, this can work. I need a nice background. I'm going to copy this background and I'm going to drop it on my Photoshop. There it is. I'm going to increase the size. I'm increasing the size so that it fits inside the artboard. Increasing the size so that it fits inside the artboard. So yeah, there it is. So this is going to act as our background. I'm going to give it a color overlay. So I'll double click on the layer, so that you can go to the styles panel. Then I'm going to add a color overlay on this background. So yes, here is my layer style. I'm going to check the color overlay. I'm going to drag this on the right so that I can see what I'm doing. I'm going to change the color overlay, so I'll double click on this so that I can get my color picker. Yeah, I'll go with that blue, say okay, and okay. So yes, that is my background. So I'm going to add text really fast. So I'll type let's celebrate. Let's celebrate. I'm going to increase the font size. Go back to my move tool. Select on any of those corner anchor points. I'm going to place it on the center. I want to change that to 0. And yeah, yes, it should give me something like that. Again, I'm going to duplicate this text, so Alt click and drag. There it is. So I'm going to type international Workers Day. So I'm going to reduce the font size. I want to place it somewhere here in the center. So another thing I want to do is I want to change the font weight. So right here, I'm going to change that to light. Yeah, light should work for me. And yeah, that is okay. So then I'm going now to type happy. I'm going to increase the font size. So this is how you'd create a poster really quick. I want to increase this, something like that. Now I'm going to check. Click on it. Place it there. Then I'm going to duplicate this, Alt click and drag. I'm going to type labor. Yeah, just labor. Then I'm going to change the style to extra bold. The font I'm using is a Montserrat. I'm using Montserrat. So yes, I want this to be bold. Then I'll duplicate this text and type day. So happy Labor Day. Place it at the center. Yes. Then another thing I'm going to do is I want to put this day inside a stroke rectangle. So I'm going to click on my rectangle tool. I'm going to remove the fill to none. Then I'm going to give a white stroke of 2.5. Then I'm going to draw it right there. And there it is. So I want to change the color of labor to something, something like that. And I'm going to add something else, that is the date. So it happens usually on the 1st of May. So I'm going to type 1st May. Let me increase the size just so you can see it. And there it is. So I'll reduce it a little bit. Then I want to change the weight, the font weight, to bold or something like semi-bold. Let me change that font size to 24. Let's change it to 72. 72 I think will work for us. Then I'm going to drag it and place it at the center. I want to change the font weight to semi-bold. Yes. Then I want to go to my rectangle tool. I want to remove the stroke, so the stroke will be none. Then I'll give the fill to this color. And I want to draw a small rectangle right there, and I'm going to duplicate it, alt click and drag to place it right there. Then I'm going to select all these while holding shift. Then I'm going to align them. Vertically center, like that. Then I'll drag them right there. So since we are in Kenya, I'm going to get a Kenyan flag splash. So I'll go back to my Google search and search for Kenyan flag splash. I need a Kenyan flag splash. Yeah, exactly. I think this one will work for me. It has a watermark, that won't work. I need a Kenyan flag splash. I need something nice. So something like this. This in fact is a PNG, so I'm going to save the image, save images, and I'm going to save it on my downloads. Just save it. Then go back to my Photoshop file, place embedded, locate my downloads, click on the image and place. Very nice. Here it is. So I'm going to drag it, I'm going to reduce the size, and I want to place it right here. So yes, then we can change this to this red. So I'll use my eyedropper tool, so that now so that we have color uniformity. Then this will be this green here. So we have the green. It's not visible, so I will undo that. I'll just do it white. Maybe I can change the stroke of this rectangle to that green. I can change the stroke to that green. think that will work. Yes, that will work, but I have to increase this stroke size. So let's go with a 10 will do. Yes. So yeah, I think this is done. This is done really quick, guys. So that is how you would have created today's Labor Day poster. So you can add a logo or something. Let me add a logo. Let me place a logo, but it already looks nice. Let me locate my logo somewhere here. Not really, it's not on this folder. Where could it be? That should be here somewhere. I want to add a logo on that here, right here. So I need a PNG logo, a logo that has no background. I have one somewhere. I want to place these two. I want to place that. That is my logo. I'll increase the size. I just want to place it somewhere. Okay, let me place it here. Let me drag this and these two texts. I want to drag them down right there, and I want to place this logo. Let me do that. Control Z on your keyboard to undo. Let me place that in the center. Then I also wanted to place another image of my website. So yeah, place embedded. I have it right here. This one. Increase the size. Then I will place it somewhere here in the corner. Somewhere here in the corner. Yeah, like that. Like that. Yeah. So that's it, guys, for today. Ensure to subscribe. So that's how you would have designed today's Labor Day poster. Yeah, so that's it for today. See you.